Good morning from Orange Beach, Alabama. It's Robb Colley with eXp Realty, and we are actually fixing to do a tour of Unit 505 at the Enclave that is actually on the market right now for $799. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath on the 5th floor at the Enclave. A little over 1,500 square feet. It's one of the larger units that you're going to find down here in the price point. Here's bathroom 1. Full tub. Plenty of storage. Bathroom 2 is actually a Jack and Jill. And it has a shower. There's the door that actually cuts back through. Right here you're going to have storage, full-size washer and dryer, owner's closet, granite countertops. Nice open floor plan overlooking the living room and the wet bar. Oh yeah, you see it. Now we're going to go into the master. King size bed. This unit is being offered furnished. They just finished cleaning up. Oop, left the light off. Here we are in the master bathroom. It is huge, and it has a jetted tub and a separate shower. These units are really nice because they actually have access from the master bedroom out onto the balcony. Let's go check that out. The windows and the outside sliding doors have just been replaced. The complex. New pool with 0 entry. Got a few people on the beach today. It's going to be a beautiful day. Alright, give us a call if you want to check this unit out. 251-797-6977, or go to the website and look for Real Estate Robb with 2 B's. Y'all have a good day.